The Palestinian Foundation of Pakistan staged a demonstration in Karachi against the use of disproportionate force on Gazans and denounced the role of West and Arab countries, who they say are undermining the Palestinian cause. These demonstrators are gathered here to denounce the Israeli attacks against innocent Palestinians, and they are demanding practical steps from United Nations, as it did in the case of Libya. Arab governments are planning to ask the United Nations Security Council to impose a no-fly zone over Gaza in near future. The recent string of attacks by the Zionist regime against Palestinians has been the source of international demonstrations against Tel Aviv.
I don't know what standards the United Nations follow. What I can see from its actions, the United Nations has double standards. In case of Sudan, East Timor, and Libya, they have been extremely quick in taking actions, like holding a referendum and imposing no-fly zone. But in case of Palestine and Kashmir, the UN response has been passive. I urge the international community to wake up and stop these double standards before it's too late.
Over 20 Palestinians have been killed in recent Israeli strikes on Gaza.
Saudi government sent troops to crack down on peaceful pro-democracy protesters in Bahrain. But where are they now? When Gazans are calling them for help. And look at the double standards of United Nations, which is swiftly repeating the history of League of Nations, which failed to stop aggressors from committing atrocities.
Experts believe that Israel has maintained its old mechanical views, as if nothing ever happened, which is the part of psychological warfare, because Arab uprisings were so appeared that it could deter the Israel from attacking the Palestinians, a view Israel wants to dilute. Muhammad Turi, Press TV, Karachi.